Hi, my name is Cashew Zafar. I'm director of Perivale Motor Repairs. I established my business 2012, and what we do in here, we do everything basically, you name it. We do from bodywork, MOT, tires, alignment, aircon, full service. We do everything in one roof. Since I opened my garage in 2012, I did a lot of marketing and the newspaper and flyers to local areas. I didn't get very good input because a lot of competition in the Perivale. Flyer is hard to measure because you cannot tell which customer, which area they're coming from. They're coming through from flyer or they come as a bit recommend. The reason I put the deal in Groupon to get a customer base from everywhere. Obviously I'm living in Perivale, I got garage in Perivale. But I want a network, bigger network in the customer base because I want to see the Groupon have the biggest network in the marketing in the internet. So a lot of customers looking online, offers, great deals by Groupon. As we are living in Perivale, we have so many garages and so many competition here. And by Groupon, I get a lot of customers come to my garage, and because they've been choose to come to our garage because we have very great deals. Since I joined with the Groupon, our sales increased by 40%. I had a few customers by Groupon and they actually came by for MOT, and I did a really great service and they liked my garage and all the stuff, and they're definitely going to come back to our garage in the future. Since I've been dealing with the Groupon in 2013, I have never had an issue with dealing with the Groupon customer service. If I have any issue or any problem, I'll give them a call or by email. They come back to you straight away. I use the Matcha Center and I can see clearly what I've sold and what's in and what's out. I can see clearly how much they're paying me. I can see clearly how many customers they've been looked into my deals, and clearly I can see how many the watch has been sold and how many have achieved, redeems, all that. I can see everything. I would definitely recommend other companies to use Groupon because their sales will be improved in the future.